Hi guys, I'm Jonathan Bird from Barry Point, Werribee, and welcome to number 34 Delmont Street in the heart of the Wesley Gardens estate in Werribee. It's an amazing 3-bedroom property with a blackwood timber kitchen on a true quarter acre. Not only that, all the bedrooms are king size and there's drive-through access to the amazing secluded backyard. Come on through, have a look with me and enjoy the tour. Well, that's 34 Delmont Street. It's a slice of the country in the heart of Werribee. Come through, have a look, give me a call. My name's Jonathan Bird. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Have a great day.